Welcome back. This question asks us, is it a polynomial? If it's yes, we're going to answer the next question. The degree of a polynomial, how many terms? Let's look at our first practice, 10 to the x power. Pause this video, think about it. Is it a polynomial or not? Why? Did you say it's not a polynomial? Very good, you're correct, but why? Did you say it's because the exponent is variable? Wonderful job. Then we don't have to answer the next two questions. Let's look at the second one. Second one is right here. Is it a polynomial? Good. That is a polynomial because the exponent is a positive and it's not a variable. It is a polynomial. All right, let's look at the degree. The degree is the highest exponent, so degree is 3. How about a term? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. Let's look at our last one for today. Is it a polynomial? If you say no, you are good because the exponent is -3, so it is not a polynomial. Wonderful job. Happy practice.